In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice using QuickBooks. Whether you're a small business owner or handling accounts for your company, creating accurate and professional invoices is an essential part of the business process. Let's get started by logging into your QuickBooks account. You'll want to head over to QuickBooks and then enter your account credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left side menu panel and you'll see an option labeled Sales. Go ahead and click on that. This takes you to the Sales section where you should see a variety of options related to managing your sales activities. Here our focus is directly on Invoice name, so click on that to proceed to the Invoice Creation section. Now you're on the page dedicated to managing your invoices. You'll notice a button or link that says Create an Invoice. Click on it to begin crafting a new invoice. The system will prompt you to start by adding a customer. If you've worked with a customer before, you can simply select them from your list of existing customers. However, if this is a new customer, you'll need to click Add New Customer and input the required customer details, like their name and contact information. Once you have your customer set up, remember to click Save to retain these changes. This step is crucial to ensure that all your efforts don't go unrewarded. Next, you may want to personalize your invoice a bit by adjusting the invoice number, selecting the terms, and modifying both the invoice date and due date based on your agreement with the customer. As you scroll down, you'll find sections where you can input the details of the products or services rendered. Here, make sure to include descriptions, quantity, rate, and the total amount. Clarity in this section is key to avoiding any payment discrepancies. Additionally, there's an area for including other details or notes. This is an excellent opportunity to communicate any specific terms or hidden notes that your customer needs to be aware of. Furthermore, if applicable, you can set up the sales tax for your invoice. This feature helps ensure you're charging the appropriate amount of tax based on regulations. Before finalizing, you might need to adjust the totals if required. Once you're satisfied with the information, you can choose to review and send if you're ready to distribute this invoice. Alternatively, if you need more time or require an internal check, simply click Save. If you need a hard copy or simply want to keep a digital record, QuickBooks gives you the flexibility to either print or download your completed invoice. This can be particularly useful for bookkeeping purposes or for maintaining client records. Thanks for following along as we walk through how to create an invoice using QuickBooks. With these steps, you're now equipped to handle invoicing efficiently and accurately within your business workflow.